Hello students, this is the fifth lecture of methods of scientific research. Okay, we are now on chapter 2 methods of scientific research, which talks about the research methodology. What is methodology? Research methodology. Let's go back a little to the frame or to the plan, the overall plan of a research, and see how to decide upon the research methodology. Okay, what is a research? A research springs from problem, phenomena, question. Then there will be a research idea. The researcher will think about an idea of a research. Okay? An idea of a research will تنضج in his mind. Then after that the researcher will ask himself the 5 W's. What is my research? Why I am doing this research? Where I am going to apply this research? Who are the parts? You know, the 5 W's. The last lectures we were talking about the 5 W's, and we have examples about them. Okay, after the researcher asks himself the 5 W's, if there is an answers for all these 5 W's, then he will continue to the next step, which is planning for his research, and he will reach to the research methodology. Methodology is an overall plan, or it is the philosophy or the general principle which will guide the researcher or the research conducted by the researcher. It is also known as the overall approach to studying the researcher topic. It includes issues that the researcher needs to think about, such as the constraints, dilemmas, and ethical choices within his research. Okay? This is the methodology or approach. Okay? So, how many kinds of methodology? Methodology is an overall plan. How you are going to deal with your research. How you are going to tackle your research. Okay? How you are going to tackle your research. Okay? How you are going to tackle your research. There are 3 types of methodology that the researcher may follow, okay, according to his motivation, according to his budget, according to his funding. Okay. The first one, 3. Before the kinds of the methodologies, the researcher should differentiate between the researcher methodology and the research method. Research methodology and the research method. Research method, we will tackle it in chapter 3. What is research method? Research method are the tools. The research method is the tools. Will be tackled in details in chapter 3. Methods vary, like questionnaire, focus group, interview, or participant observation. Method هي أدوات البحث. method, research method. هاي راح نتطرق لها في الفصل الثالث. من أدوات البحث اللي هي استبيان، المقابلة. Okay? لكن نحن حاليا now we are talking about methodology. There are 3 kinds of methodology. We have quantitative, qualitative, and triangulation. Quantitative, qualitative, triangulation. We are going to discuss these three kinds of methodology in details, okay, in the next coming lectures. But I want you to differentiate between methodology, which is of the present lecture, methodology اللي هي درسنا الحالي, and method اللي هي راح ناخذها في الفصل الثالث in chapter 3, okay, اللي method اللي هي أدوات البحث, الاستبيان والمقابلة. فرق بين methodology and method. Now we are going to discuss methodology. Okay. Quantitative, the first one, means الكمي, البحث الكمي أو الطريقة الكمية لإجراء البحوث. Okay, كمية, quantitative. The quantity, it is from quantity. Quantitative research or quantitative methodology. Quantitative methodology or approach to a research, to conducting a research, usually involves collecting and transforming data into numerical values. numerical إلى أعداد. نحول المتغيرات إلى أعداد. Numerical values to perform statistical calculations. For example, if you want to measure the student's performance in certain subject, نريد نقيس أداء الطلبة في موضوع معين، في مادة معينة دراسية معينة. شلون نقيسها هذه؟ شلون نقيسها؟ نقيسها نحولها إلى أرقام. مثلا اللي ياخذ من 100 ياخذ 20 نرمزون نقول عليه هذا 1 أو 5. اللي ياخذ من 20 إلى 30 7. اللي ياخذ من 100 هذا نقول عليه 12. اللي ياخذ 70 إلى 80 8. اللي ياخذ 60 إلى 70 كذا. أوكي، الأعداد كم واحد أخذ هال 70، كم واحد أخذ ال 80، كم واحد. فراح نستخدم إحصاء. Okay, this is methodology. This is methodology, quantitative methodology, and we are going to deal with the statistics. إحصاء. Okay, to measure the differences, or to measure or to conduct our research, to see the